Hey, I've been working on this CNC enclosure, but it's not ready. But what is ready is the dust extraction cart that I built. I'm going to show that to you. I'm kind of proud of it. It's right here. This is it. This is the whole cart. I wanted to be able to roll around my dust right separator along with the vacuum cleaner all at the same time. And I've seen some carts, but I decided I just wanted a way to mount this to the top of the vacuum cleaner, so that's what I'm going to show you. And I wanted to do it in a way that I could take it back off, and I don't want to have to drill anything into my expensive vacuum cleaner. And I was willing to put a few screws in the bottom rim of this. So there's this interesting pattern on the bottom of this bucket, and so I routed some grooves in these 2x4s to give me enough depth to be able to put a screw. And that goes all the way around the rim, and you'll see in a minute what all the fancy spacers are about. I needed the connection between the dust separator and the vacuum cleaner to be as secure as possible, because this hose not only is a little short and it's under tension anyway, but when the vacuum cleaner comes on, it pulls a little bit. But I'm going to position the handle upright, and because I'm doing this on camera, it will be difficult and painful, but so let's see how we did. Good. Not going anywhere, and then if I want to take it off, just slide this piece out, disconnect the hose, and that's it. Hope you like it.